is Ashley with Granville Homes, and I'm here to show you what to do if your garbage disposal is not working. If your garbage disposal has power but is making a humming sound, there's a possibility it's jammed. Remember to throw away any hard food items before using your garbage disposal, such as bones, shrimp shells, potato skins, lemon peels. These are items that may not grind and could become stuck in between the blades. You may also experience clogging within your garbage disposal lines. So let's assume your garbage disposal is jammed. First, unplug your garbage disposal from the outlet so the power is off. Reach down the disposal hole using your hand to feel for any items that can be removed. Be careful, considering the blades are located at the inside of the disposal. Each garbage disposal comes included with an Allan wrench, which is used for adjusting the blade up and down to unclogged items in between the blades. Take your Allan wrench and place it in the hole at the bottom center of your disposal. Shift the Allan wrench back and forth to loosen the jamb. Plug your garbage disposal back into the outlet. Press the reset button at the bottom of your disposal. Turn on the cold water at the faucet. Turn on the garbage disposal button to test. If this doesn't work, contact your customer care team for further instruction. After you've turned on your garbage disposal, make sure to run the cold water at the same time. Cold water makes fats and oils coagulate, but this helps your garbage disposal break them down, which helps prevent clogging. Run the water for about 1 minute after you use your garbage disposal to ensure all is properly draining.